Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to count the number of cells within a range that contain text values. Let's get started. Let's start off by using the range I have here on the left to count all cells that contain a text value. To do this, I can enter the Countif function. This function has only two required arguments: the range of cells, which I'll highlight in my column on the left. After a comma, Excel will ask for the criteria for this function. To count cells with text, I'll enter the asterisk symbol in quotations. Close parentheses, and then click Enter. You'll see Excel returns the result of 4 because I have 4 cells containing a text value. Empty cells, cells with numbers or errors, are not included. If you want to count all text cells excluding empty strings, we can use the Countif function. I'll enter that in. There are two required arguments for this function as well: the criteria range 1, which I'll highlight. This is the first column again. Criteria 1 will be the same as before. I'll enter an asterisk in quotations. Then criteria range 2 will be the same column because I want to exclude empty strings. I'll enter another comma. For criteria 2 in quotations, I'll use the less than and greater than symbol with a space. This is a way of asking Excel to exclude empty strings in the function. Now enter a close parentheses and click Enter. You'll see we get our correct result. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.